Now that we have the differential all broken down, let me point out some key components. The pinion is here. It can be removed, but on this one we choose not to because it's such a pain to get in and out. But this is the pinion. This is what drives which turns the axles to turn the wheels, make the wheels turn. All right. Let's pan over to the ring gear. This is the ring gear. This here is the ring gear. Some of the key components on the ring gear are the teeth. If you notice, we call this inside here the drive. There's the cruise side on the back side. And the reason we call it the drive and the cruise is because as it's turning, the pinion is gearing it, making it turn so that the wheels turn. The cruise side is once you let off the accelerator, the car will automatically just coast, and then the wheels will drive. Now, what we have here, we remove these bolts here. This is called the gear housing, axle gear housing. What we have here is an axle gear, which connects to the spider gears. And these spider gears are what sends the forward moment, the forward drive of the drive axle sends the power out to the wheels so that it will drive, so the wheels will turn. Okay?
Today I want to go over some components of a differential. Right here is we got our gear housing, got your inner and outer race. This is your outer race. And if you need to replace these or one gets damaged, you need to replace the whole set because they are a match set. You got your adjustable carriers. These have threads in them so you can adjust them. And you've got your caps, which also have threads in them for adjustment.
Okay, as we are getting ready to go back together with it, as you can see there, the spider gear is open. We're putting in now the axle gear. And I've just got the spider gear housing and axle gear housing. We're putting it together. We're putting the bolts back in. Ashley is going to tighten that up for us with the impact drill. And it's best to use a 12-point socket on this thing here. It's a size 14
millimeter.
14 millimeter. Best to use a 12-point socket on it so that it fits better.
Normally we would tighten these down to spec. But then this is a product that we use quite frequently. For show, we're just going to lock it down.
As you can see in this video, we are putting the ring gear back into the differential housing. And we'll be getting ready to place the outer races onto the bearing. Or bearings, excuse me. Alright, here in this video we have got everything placed back into the housing. Got the end caps on, the adjusters in, and the races in.
As you can see, once all that process has been done, now we check for the rolling of the ring gear to make sure that it has the proper backlash to the pinion. That's very important because if not, it will not, the rear end will not operate correctly. So we want to make sure that we check backlash and proper seating of the ring gear.
Here in a second I will show the adjusters. As I'm picking up the light. Alright, I'll show the adjusters, and to adjust your backlash you will rotate those either to the left or right. There's adjusters on both sides. and that will adjust your backlash.